Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to connect your iPhone 17 to a printer. Actually, this process is quite easy. At first, open your photos and tap on the photo you want to print. Let it be this flower, for example. Tap this share button over here, scroll down to print. Here, tap print. Tap here, printer, select your printer. Of course, you have to be in the same Wi-Fi network, and yes, that's it. Here you can select presets, and actually that's how to print and connect a printer using your iPhone 17. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.